How's it going, everybody? So in this video, we're just going to be running through what has sold this week for us. I'm going to run through a few quick items that sold at the end of last week, and I didn't actually film them. I didn't physically film the items, but I'll just run through them real quick while I'm walking around here outside. The first item is a pair of Under Armour golf shoes. They're size 13. These were a retail find. I believe we had $29.99 in them, 30 bucks, give or take. And we ended up getting $80 plus $10 shipping on those. So that was a pretty sweet flip. I think we only had those for 3 or 4 days. So that was a good flip. Then the next item was a UE little mini boombox speaker. We found this at an estate sale, and we bought it in a huge bundle of stuff, and for the whole bundle we paid $50. And we've sold some stuff out of that bundle already, so we're already in profit. So this sale right here is actually pure profit. We ended up getting, I think I took a best offer. Actually, no, it was on sale. I'm sorry, the item was on sale, and it sold for full price at the sale price for $49.99 plus shipping. Then the next item we sold was also a retail find. These cleats were $10. They're a pair of women's softball cleats, and they were $9.99 we bought them for just a week or two ago, and they ended up selling for $22.99 plus shipping. So not huge profit margins there, but it was such a quick flip that it's okay. It's not a big deal. And then next was an action figure, a Sega action figure. We've been sitting on this for a little while, and once again we were running a sale, and the price was down to, I think we were running like a 25% sale or something like that, and the price was down to $10.99 plus shipping, and it ended up selling for that price. Next, we sold a pair of Air Max, Nike Air Max. These were a thrift store find. They were women's. I forget what size they were, but they're a thrift store find. We've been sitting on these for a while. I'm honestly surprised they didn't sell quicker than they did. And we had $1 into these, and they ended up selling for $24.99 plus shipping. And then finally was a PS3 DualShock controller. It was red. I tested it, works great. And that ended up selling for $12.99 plus shipping. I believe I bought that in a bulk deal off Mercari. I think that's what that came from. The thing that sold today are these. These little pumps here. 2 of these pumps sold for $5 plus shipping. Pam actually gets these things from work for free. They throw them away, and she grabs them, and we sell them. They sell pretty well. So these are going to be going out. I'm going to put them in a poly bag here just for presentation, just so it looks a little more eye appealing to the buyer. And then I'll probably put a little bit of bubble around them and then throw them in a white poly mailer. So that is what's going out thus far tonight. Nothing crazy. Been pretty slow and low dollar today, that is for sure. All right, so it is Monday, and sales have been really slow lately. I'm going to be completely honest. They've been very, very slow. We ran a sale this past weekend too. Try to get some sales moving, and it just not much happened. I don't know if it's like a lull, or let me know if sales have been slow for you guys as well, but they have definitely been very slow for us. We've been pretty consistent, I would say, as far as listing goes. We've been listing a lot, haven't we?
I haven't.
You haven't?
I've been spreadsheeting.
Spreadsheeting? Yeah, no, like the last couple days, we've been listing quite a bit. Maybe just we're not listing enough, I guess, but try to list more tonight. And one thing sold today, a whopping one thing. And Pam actually already boxed it up, but it is this Racco board game here. What?
You were like, don't package that because I'm going to record it. As I'm like packaging it, and for some reason it just didn't register. I'm like,
yeah,
oh, okay.
Look,
and then I literally started.
She sealed the poly bag. She sealed it.
Literally, as you were saying it, I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah, and I was like, wait, you just packaged that?
It didn't process.
But anyway, we got We got $16 free shipping for this. Not a very valuable game. We got it at a yard sale probably 3 weeks ago now. It should ship first class. Let's see how much it weighs. Yep, 14 ounces, 15 ounces about. So it'll ship first class, so it won't be too expensive to ship. We got it for $1, so we'll probably net, after fees and everything, we'll probably net about $10 on it, which isn't bad. It's better than nothing, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of an older thing. We got that, you know, it's raining outside and we got that in the rain and floods before.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. But that's all right. I'm actually going to run a sale tonight. I'm going to start a sale. See if we can get some sales moving. And I don't know. We'll see what happens. This weekend I ran a 10% sale. I think I'm going to up it to a 20%. Maybe 25. I don't know. We'll have to see. But I'm going to definitely start running a sale tonight and see if we can get some more things selling this week. But it is what it is. 1 week it's good, 1 week it's slow. But anyway. Hope to see you again. All right, everybody, so it is Tuesday evening, and we have a couple things going out that sold today. We're running a sale right now. As I mentioned last night, I said that I was going to run a big sale, so I started running a 25% off sale, the entire store. The first thing that sold was this. These are some eye drops right here. These were a clearance deal. Not a huge sale right here, but these were a clearance deal from, I don't know, I think it was Walgreens or something. I can't remember, but those are going out. I think we got 9 something and free shipping on those. So again, not a big deal, not a big sale, I should say. But at least that is something going out. And then a second thing that is going out today is down here, a big clunker. I love getting these out of here. And I love selling them too because they are actually pure profit. This right here, the Samsung one, is the one that sold. Get this over here. It is a Samsung DVD VHS recorder combo, and we got $50 plus shipping on this. I think it was $17 shipping on that. So I'm assuming we're probably going to be sending this out FedEx. Usually we ship these out FedEx. Originally I had $100 on this unit, and this was part of a deal that we made at a antique shop. It was an antique booth place, and a vendor had a bunch of these here. There's a video on it way back in our channel, maybe a month or two ago. Probably a couple months ago now. But we bought 5 of these for $85, and we've already sold through 2 of them. And the first one we sold for $140. The second one we sold for, I believe it was like $90 or $100. I can't remember, honestly. But I had $100 on this unit, and then I had a 25% off sale on top of that. And then somebody offered me $50 plus shipping, and I just took it because we're in pure profit at this point on this deal. So I just took it. Plus, it's nice to get it out. You know, it frees up a whole lot of shelf space there, and I'm just happy to send it out. That is all that actually sold today. Today was decent as far as sales price goes. You know what, $60 in sales. That's not by any means great, but hey, at least we're moving some items and shipping some stuff out. So hopefully tomorrow we'll be back for some more. It is Wednesday. Hi, Bae.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my dish that I had my ice cream that Justin got me.
Oh, that's the one Justin got you?
Yeah.
The ice cream scoop?
Yeah,
oh,
Justin
cool.
got me. So you get to use this. I use this.
Alright. Are you making me a pizza?
No, I'm making Justin a pizza. I'm gonna send it.
Hey Justin, come on up. Come drive 12 hours, whatever it is, have some pizza. So, I'm gonna run through what sold over the past day or whatever. It's been, what?
Justin heard I was cooking, and so he like pieced out to Germany. Like, sorry, man, can't.
But like I said yesterday, we're running a sale, and the sale seems to be doing pretty well. We sold quite a few things So I'll just run through them real quick. What's that?
Nothing, I said quite a few items with a cool accent.
Quite a few items? Quite a few items. Alright, let me pull up my eBay app here and see what we gotta ship. The first thing that sold last night, actually, are these right here. These cassette tapes that Pam picked up at Savers. She got these for $1.99 and they sold for $14.99. They were on sale. I believe we had $19.99 on these, selling for $14.99, free shipping. Then the other thing that sold is also in this bin right here, and it is this Sony Walkman. This was also a pickup from this past weekend. We got this at a yard sale. Pam actually found this at a yard sale. And we got $14.99 plus shipping on that one. So two $14.99 sales there. Next is actually a hat. This hat right here. It's like a Hershey's S'mores sort of hat. It's in great condition. Doesn't even really look like it's been worn at all, to be honest. I found this at Goodwill not that long ago, actually. I think I found this, I don't know, maybe a month or so ago. And this sold for $7 and some change plus shipping on that. And then the next item that sold was this Transformers action figure right here. It's brand new in the box. The box is actually a little damaged. You can see right there. This was actually a Walgreens find. Wow, this shipping table is a disaster, huh? This is all stuff that we need to list still. Man, we gotta clean this up. But this was actually a Walgreens find. They were running some sort of deal where it was like buy one, get one free. And I think I spent like $10 or no, I think it was $13 for two of them because they were $13 each. Or yeah, $13 each. If you buy two, you get one free. So I bought one and then got another one free. So that's why I have two. I have one right here. And this one ended up selling for I think it was $14.99 plus shipping or something like that. I could be wrong. But you're seeing probably what it went for anyway. So we're already in profit there, and then we still have one more to sell as well. So there's always some good deals to be found in retail, especially those buy one get one free sort of deals. You can sometimes hit it good there. And then finally, we sold a Nintendo DS game called Avalon Code. It's just the cartridge only. We got that game in a bulk deal for $50 at that yard sale, the big yard sale video we had, where we bought all that stuff for $50. That game was in that big lot, and it sold for $24 and some change, plus shipping.
It's in
so where is Avalon?
One.
Avalon Code is where?
Bin number 1.
Bin number 1. Oh, wow. You put it with the baseball gloves. Let's see. Oh, there it is. I can see it. There it is.
You're welcome.
Right there. That's why you need a spreadsheet, guys. Keep track of your inventory. There's no way I would have taken forever to find this thing had I not.
You also need somebody to work your spreadsheet, and I get paid.
That's her.
Pizza.
She's good at that.
And food.
She's good at working that spreadsheet.
I'll work on the spreaders.
Alright, so we will ship all this stuff out to go out tomorrow. And yeah, it's been a pretty good sales day. But anyway, thank you everybody so much for watching this What Sold video. Hope you enjoyed it. We like to do this every week. If you're new here, we kind of do this every week. We do a What Sold video, but cumulative for the whole week. We just film as stuff sells and then put it in one big video at the end of the week. So that's how we like to do it. Everybody seems to enjoy watching that, so that's what we're trying to keep on doing. But yeah, it's a lot of fun, right? It's a blast. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow. We'll be doing a live show, so
stay tuned.
Definitely want to tune into that. That'll be fun. Alright. Have a great night, everybody. Bye.
Bye.